Hey guys, Nicholas back here again. Today we're going to be reviewing Five Guys and Arby's. Let's peek this out. Yo! This is the good stuff here. Let's dig in. Those jalapenos had a kick. Ooh. Five Guys, 10 out of 10. Next up, Arby's. First up, we got some Oreo bites. They kind of look a little disgusting, if you know what I'm saying. But, yeah, I've already ate a few of them. They're pretty good. I'll eat one on camera for you guys. On point. Arbys. This is fire. Oh my goodness. Buffalo tenders from Arbys. They're fire. They're fire. Go get you some buffalo tenders from Arbys. Thanks for watching Food Reviews. Food Reviews 4 coming soon. Love y'all.